Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I'm making tritone rings. I'm using 20 gauge silver, gold, and rose gold artistic wire. I have a ring mandrel and my cutters and flat pliers. So we're going to start with about 6 to 8 inches of the 20 gauge wire in 3 different colors and wind it around at the ring size that you want. I like this stepped mandrel because you can make wider rings and keep them a consistent size. So holding the mandrel down on the table, we're going to take those ends and twist them to either side to hook them together. So we want to hold the mandrel firmly and hold the wires and pull them right around. So you'll have 3 wires going up and 3 wires going down. And then we are going to take each wire individually and pull them around the ring band. So we're going to take the next one, bring it around and pull it, and then the next one too and pull it around. You may want to make this a ring size larger or half a ring size larger because winding the wires around will reduce the size of the ring. So we're going to bring those wires around. I'm catching them with the tweezer nose pliers from Xuron. I love these pliers. They fit into little nooks and crannies. So we're going to pull the wires around the band. So we have them around on either side, and then we can bring them around a second time if you like. So we're just going to one by one bring them around. I'm doing them one by one so they'll stay lined up and they won't overlap and get tangled up. So we're just going to bring them around the band, again pulling them with the tweezer nose pliers. Just take the end and pull it around, and then you can push the wires down a bit. So we're going to just bring them around through one more time. Depends on what kind of look you like. You could bring them around once or twice. So bring them underneath the band. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Pull the wires around one at a time. And you want to hold it quite snugly and just really tug at those wires so there's no slack. Bring them right around and pinch them together and press them down a little bit. You can use nylon tipped pliers to press them as well if you're worried about scratching the wire. So now we're going to take our flush cutters and clip off all of the ends just underneath the band. So just clip them, just really push those flush cutters in there, and then pinch the wires down again just to be sure they're firmly in place, especially the little raw ends. We want to push them right down, and then I have a nail file or a regular file, and we're just going to file those ends so they're not scratchy. Flip it around, and you can do the same on the other side. Just give it a good little file to soften those ends so they're nice and smooth. And there you have your beautiful tritone ring. Now if you want the band to be a little bit wider, we're going to use the same idea, but we'll use slightly longer pieces of wire. You can maybe use about 10 inches, a little more or less depending on the size of your finger. And we are going to wind those wires one full turn around. You can do the exact size of your finger for this one because we won't be winding the wires to the inside of the band. So we're going to go around twice. So you see the band is twice the size as in the first one, and hold it snugly as we did before, and then push those wires around to hook them together. So there we have our initial kind of hook together wires, and then we're going to keep going. It's almost like the same style as doing a rose ring where you have the wires going around and around. So keep going around until you're happy with how it looks. And then we're going to tuck those ends in. So we're going to push them and clip. Same here, push the end and clip it. And then one more time, grab it with your pliers or the cutters if you need some help and clip it. And then we're going to take the flat pliers and just push those ends underneath so they're not scratchy. And we'll do the same with the other side. We're going to pull that wire around, clip it flush, and pinch it in. And then the last one, pull it around, clip it flush, and pinch in that end so all the ends are tucked underneath. Put it back on the ring mandrel, press it, and there you have a wider tritone wire ring.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.